Okay. I think, let me tell you this story. I've not told anybody, right? I was married off really young as a child.
Are you serious?
When people have stories to tell, I've got shitload of stories to tell.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Yeah. I was really young.
How young?
And what?
How young?
I was about 15.
Wow.
And was it something I wanted? No, it wasn't something I wanted, all right? But it happened. But the thing is, my stubbornness got me out of it.
That was when you just went to school?
I was in the university.
Oh yeah, you said you went to university. Okay.
And because I was already growing, and then because I like what I like tattoos, I like piercings, I like a lot of, in fact, I've not gotten like the kind of tattoos I want to get, right? Because I did take on my mama, you get me? But like I said, I got my tattoos like really, really early, do you understand? And I told you, a part of it, that I was a virgin at the time I was in university, right? So
Yeah.
I was a virgin at the time I was in university, but I had a tattoo even when I was a virgin. And you know what happens when people hear stories like that? They tend to put you a certain way, like maybe you're not up to par. But with whoever I have dated and with the men I have been with, that has never been my case. But you see, with me, I've been married before. I've got 2 kids.
You got 2 kids?
Yeah.
Is it like?
I had them via CS, so you wouldn't know.
What?
I had them via CS.
Okay. CS?
Yeah, so you wouldn't know.
No, you have this car. I've not seen this car.
No, like, probably, I'm a shy person. So when I'm doing the do, people don't get to clock that because, yeah.
So, okay, it's always below. Okay.
Yeah, so my hoo-ha is not a hoo-ha that has.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's never the narrative.
What's the age?
Aliyah is 9. Okay, I've got Aliyah, I've got Leonora.
Beautiful names.
I've got Aliyah.
Oh, nice.
And I've got Leonora.